કેટલા મામા છે અહીંયા?
કાકા
Yeah.
એના મામા થાય ને કોઈકના મામા
ઘણા બધા મામાઓ અને કાકાઓ છે અહીંયા.
All right, so everyone, we are going to get started.
Oh, yes.
So we have a few items on the agenda, and we will cover those. But in between those agenda items, everyone that we are seeing here, every family will get up to 90 seconds. Up to 90 seconds to provide their update and just to introduce, to wish everybody happy Diwali, and so people will get to know each other.
Cooking class.
So with that, let me request Praveen Bhai to officially welcome everyone to the KMD's first Diwali virtual gathering. Praveen Bhai.
Hopefully first and last.
Can you mute them all for
Yes,
a moment so we can listen?
please mute or just remain quiet. It's fine. Just remain quiet.
Individual.
Yeah, you can also mute from there anyway. So welcome to this grand celebration of our International Diwali Festival of KMD family. And I bring this greetings for wonderful city of Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Now, first and foremost, pranam to all the elders. ધર્મમાં હંમેશા નાનો હતો, હજી નાનો જ રહેવાનો છું, એટલા માટે બધા એલ્ડરને કવર કરી લીધા. It is so nice to see all the faces. Of course, we see enough WhatsApp from here and there, but it's always good to see all the faces. Unfortunately, with Corona, we cannot really have the face-to-face real meetings. I think this is the best way to go. Corona has taught us a lot of bad things. One good thing is, I think this has given us the opportunity to understand how to get together, how to talk to each other, how to have a family get together, which is physically is not possible to do it every few months, every few years. Hopefully that this will work out for 2021 and they will all get together in India. So એવી હાલત થઈ ગઈ છે કે કોઈ એક બે કલાક કોઈને ઘરે જઈએ, થોડી વાર બેસીએ, ચા પાણી પીએ, પ્રેમથી વાતો કરીએ, એ થઈ શકે એવું નથી હવે. If we can continue to arrange a meeting like this, I think it will be wonderful. It will be great. Also, I can see some young children are involved. They should all know third, fourth generation cousin, and that's so nice to see the young people have also joined us in this meeting. First and foremost thing, I like to link this meeting, Zoom meeting, to our Chicago get-together meeting. Many family members have worked so hard night and day, they visited the places and make sure that everything is all right, and they make the arrangement in such a way that even they provided the smallest need and made a program a grand success. And thank you all for doing that wonderful thing. Thanks to Rajan Bhai in making all the efforts to arrange for this meeting and continue to work hard to keep the family link and dialogue open, arrange to take the politics out of the WhatsApp, and also make the WhatsApp family and make WhatsApp forward, so we're enjoying both of them together. And Hardika, thank you for this Zoom. It is so easy, so nice to see that we can easily set up. I have tried a few other meetings, but Zoom I think is the easiest one. It's so nice to see that there is no limit to time and there's no limit to people.
Happy to do it.
I hope that we will link this program to our Chicago program, and we will continue to be in touch with us. And also, I hope that we will continue left out work to complete it sometime in coming years and coming months. Mostly, we wanted to print AMBO, we wanted to place articles of KMD achievements and some sadvichars from personal articles. So hope that we will continue to work in the direction. I heard that many family members had corona. And luckily, there is no major catastrophe so far, but this is a dangerous situation still. 193,000 people has been reported in USA in last 24 hours, 1,600 deaths, and same thing, India's condition is not that good. So please, Agni Sate Adapla Kartane, and the Jitla Bane, Itla precaution lay, and the Kam Karjo, and it's very important part as far as I see. I see that we have lost few family members since we last met. We will certainly remember Amu Bhai is no longer with us. And he was a true KMD member. I'm sure his soul will continue to shower blessing on the family. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Praveen Bhai. Thank you, Praveen Bhai. I see many young families with little children. Let me at this point bring Vilin Bhai Shah, and he's going to explain the significance of Diwali, which will help young as well as many of us older ones, the significance of Diwali according to Hinduism, Jainism. Vilin Bhai, you are
okay.
on.
Thank you, Rajen.
Yes.
Okay, can you all hear me?
Loud
Yes,
and clear.
yes.
Okay, great. Okay.
Yes.
To begin with, as Rajan suggested, it's mainly for the younger generation, so I will mainly speak in English with some Hindi or Sanskrit words. Diwali, the word is derived from the Sanskrit word Dipavali, and that means the series of lamps. And therefore, Dipavali, which is the series of lamps, that was first time used when Lord Rama returned to his capital Ayodhya. There's a long story about Rama, and you may probably Google, but in brief, Rama was sent into exile by one of the mothers. His father had 3 wives, and Rama was living in forest with his wife, and demon Ravan kidnapped her. So Rama had to fight the war against Ravana, and he won the war, and he returned to his capital city, Ayodhya. So it was a victory of good over the evil. And therefore, this event is so important because we celebrate Diwali or Dipavali as the victory of good over the evil when Rama returned to his capital and all homes had lit up the lamps. Now remember, those days the lamps were earthen lamps, but all homes were lit up with lamps. And since then, this celebration is going on. Rama is considered one of the most significant gods of Hindus, and therefore the Hindus celebrate that. But since there are other people who also live in India and they join. This happened before 7,000 years. So imagine, this celebration has been going on for 7,000 years. The Jains celebrate Diwali in a different way because our 24th Tirthankar, Lord Mahavira, died on this day. So some people say it's not good because we lost our most important Tirthankar. But according to Jainism, Lord Mahavira attained the state of moksha, and that's a matter of being happy. And so we also happily join the Diwali celebration. This is in brief. I hope you understood, and Badane samjayu hase, particularly young generation got some idea, I believe. So again, it's a festival of lights, festival of lamps. Okay, bye.
Thank you, Vilin Bhai. No, very informative, very enriching to know the background. Okay, now let me start on the 90-second rounds. Let's first go to Germany. Welcome Neha and her family.
Hi,
Neha,
everyone. Hi, this is Maya. She's 5 now, and Mason is hiding. He's almost 4 next month. We're doing just fine. You know, our schools have been open since the middle of the summer, so yeah, life is good. I can't really complain. We had a really actually you know, a lot of people have said they're thankful in a little bit of a weird way about what COVID has brought in terms of family time. And for us, it was definitely that. So enjoyed all the beautiful surroundings that Munich has to offer in the mountains. And yeah, I mean, obviously this is probably the first time I feel home is really far away, if I'm very honest. I've never, you know, before it was always a plane ride away, and now that feels really hard. So I'd say I had a little bit of a hard time with that over the summer, but overall, we're healthy, we're happy. Mike is busy at work, which is good. It's good to be busy at work, I think, right now, and it's a fortunate position to be in, frankly. And yeah, the kids are good. Mason is finished with his dinner. So yeah, all happy. It's so nice to see everyone, and thanks so much for organizing this.
Excellent, excellent, yeah.
It
So
is my
Sheetal, Seattle, let's go to Seattle. Sheetal Agarwal, you are on.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah,
Sheetal and Nikhil, who will pop his head in there. This is Roshni. She is now 8 months old, and her big brother, Roshni, doesn't like. Yeah. So we're in Seattle. We're all doing great. Overall, Microsoft, I think Microsoft has been really good to us as a company. Like, we've had a lot of, you know, adjustments due to the COVID lifestyle and all of that, but we've been really lucky, both Nikhil and I, just working from home. We get to spend more time with the kids, obviously, which is nice. Nick is at Zillow. And we are trying to make the most of it. So the Pacific Northwest is pretty dark as the winter comes in. And so we're just trying to get more and more time outside during the day. And then we're hoping to find our way down to San Diego at some point by, you know, driving and following all the guidelines, so that we can spend some time with the family. I think people haven't really spent time with Roshni yet. So she was born the day before the shutdown began in Seattle. So it's been fun and intense, and you know, it's good though. It's so nice to see everyone's faces.
Great, great. So just to let people know, especially India, કે Seattle માં અત્યારે હજી સવારના 9 વાગ્યા છે. It's 9 a.m. Saturday morning, breakfast time. So the whole family is having breakfast, looks like.
Yes, that is what is going on here.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I see Jayesh Gohel, and Jayesh, good to see you.
Yeah, hello everyone. Happy Diwali. Thank you for setting this up. This is awesome. Get to meet everybody. It's awesome to see everybody. I know times are really tough right now with the COVID going on. We definitely miss India a lot, want to come and visit. But right now with the situation, it's really hard. So hoping things will clean up soon and we can travel. So definitely missing that a lot right now. It was awesome to see everybody last year. So I'm glad that we got to get that done, the reunion last year, to meet everyone. And yeah, we're all doing fine. The kids are at home. They're studying from home. Namrata is going to be going to college next year. So right now, super busy with the college apps and getting ready for that. And Jano is also home right now because his school is also from home. So he's in college and working hard as well, and also working a lot of side projects and things. So he's keeping super busy. We're all healthy and all doing well. So yeah, thank you.
Great, great. So next, let me bring in Ankit and Bhavna to introduce to us the latest member of KMD family. And after Ankit and Bhavna introduces Deepa to our family, Praful Bhai will reciprocate and introduce the KMD family to Deepa, the one-of-a-kind family, you know. So Ankit and Bhavna, you are on.
Go ahead, Ankit.
Yeah. Hey, hi, everyone. Good to see you all. It's been a long time, and you know, despite what's going on with COVID, so happy that we can all get together and celebrate Diwali. For those of you, most of you haven't met her, but this is Deepa, my fiance. Really.
Hi, everyone. Pranam, happy Diwali. It's so nice to meet everybody virtually, and I really hope everyone healthy and able to celebrate Diwali in their own home. I really am looking forward to meeting everybody in person one day. And as you know, Ankit and I are getting married in December, so we're really looking forward to everyone's blessings virtually. So that's all I have.
Yeah, and we're looking forward to celebrating with everyone once it's a little safer. But yeah, no, just really happy to see everyone.
Congratulations, wonderful. Rakul bhai.
Hello, everybody. As you know, on December 12th, Ankit and Disha are going to Deepa are going to get married. And I heard Ankit singing this song. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So continuing along that line, आए हो KMD में तुम बाहर बनके. Deepa, आए हो KMD में तुम बाहर बनके. Do you understand Hindi? Little bit.
A
Okay.
little, I don't know what that means.
Okay, sorry. You have come to KMD family as a beauty, as our family member.
Thank you so much.
Stay in our family with all the love. हमारे कुटुंब में रहना तुम प्यार बन के. Stay in our family with all the love and respect. Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be a part of this family.
Absolutely. And, we are all today we are in virtual Bharat, but we are looking forward to actual Bharat. So be ready. That's a KMD tradition. We are all dancers. So
absolutely. Looking forward to seeing it.
Yes. So Deepa is, to those of you who don't know, Deepa is going to be a plastic surgery. That's the one we needed. We have many family members with all kind of doctors, and we are all getting aged a little bit. So,
Free Botox.
Right. So we welcome you. And Deepa is from Michigan, and she did her schooling in Michigan. Currently, she is in Albany doing her residency, and soon they will be moving to Florida one of these days. So, and Deepa, as a KMD family, I would say that I came here 50 years ago, and at that time, myself, Praveen Bhai, Dilip Uncle, Ramesh, we all dream of this day, where we as a kutum, as a one family, stay in touch. We didn't know that we'll be this good, but it turned out with God's grace, a very good bondage. And sometime we will, I see many new faces here. I don't want to take too much time, but there is a whole story. Our grandmother and grandfather dreamt of this day. They put the seed of mango, and we are all reaping it today. KMD family is lots of education is very important to us, and strong family bondage. I can go on. Maybe you and me, and we'll talk other time. Also, I want to take this opportunity to introduce a couple of new members that we have heard about it but not seen. There is Pinal Desai in New York. She is
Hi.
hi. She is on Kanta Fibers side. She is the same as Asni would be today. So Pinal, Riddhi, where is Riddhi? Riddhi is there.
Hi.
Okay, hi Riddhi. She is in Columbus, Ohio with Bhumik. Pinal is with Nikesh. Nikesh in Maryland right now. She is in New York. And where is Charmi? Is Charmi joined us? Okay, Charmi is in Bay Area. So these are all from our Kanta Fibers side. And we'll welcome you all. And please join us again. And I think I took my 2 minutes. So thank you.
Thank you so
Perfect,
much for
perfect.
introducing us, Mama. And happy Diwali to all of you. I'm looking forward to meeting you all in person, hopefully sometime next year during the KMD reunion.
And
Excellent.
we went to NYU, and I think Avni and Apro Taro Dharmesno son ત્યાં છે ને? At NYU, right? But Avni was from NYU. So she's in New York. You can meet her there.
Yeah.
And Riddhi, Dilip and Sagar, and they are in Columbus, Sagar, Jamisa, etc. Suru, meet them. And I think Charmi and Hetal, and they have met, I think. Okay.
No, we
All right.
were planning to, but we haven't. And thank you, Mama, for organizing this. It's really great to see you all and looking forward to meeting you all soon.
Great,
Very
great.
good.
Nice to hear from you, Charmi. And Riddhi is
Yeah,
also
hi.
in Ohio, or she may be in Boston. I don't know.
Yeah, so currently I'm in Ohio. My job is in Boston, but because I'm working from home and my husband is working here in Columbus, so I am right now in Ohio, but I'll be moving to Boston whenever the office will restart.
So
yeah.
Yeah. So all three of these young, beautiful members are actually great granddaughters of our Kanta Fiber, Kantaben Amritlal Desai. So it's amazing to see the fourth generation members right here in the US studying, and these are all emerging stars. Many of them have started career successfully and studying, working hard. Welcome, and the whole family is with you, behind you anytime, anything needed. Just feel free to reach out.
Thank you,
One other
appreciate
thing,
it.
yeah,
Thank you.
Deepa will be 699th member of KMD family. And so all of you young girls have an opportunity to bring the 700th one. So
Thank you, Mama. Anyone, if you guys visit Bay Area, please make sure to ping me. We should definitely meet. So yeah.
Thank you. All right, let's move to Bhavnagar. Ashish Kumar. Bhavnagar, Ashish and his wife we can see them. You are on mute. Unmute karje pehla. Yeah. There.
હવે સંભળાય છે? Okay, happy Diwali to everybody, all the mamas and cousins. This is Ashish and Jolie from Bhavnagar. Kanchan Ben, KMD group માં જે કંચન બેન છે એમનો son છે. This Diwali is not about this is something different from the all the Diwalis we are enjoying. It's more about survival, because me and my wife and my son, all three have been suffering from corona, and we fought very hard and came back strongly. We are on the track. So it's more about survival. It's about being grateful, still able to breathe and alive, about being thankful for the loved ones. It's about being with the family under one roof. So this Diwali is more about being hopeful for happy, healthy, and better tomorrow. So
Thank you.
very much, and again, happy Diwali.
Thank you, Ashish. So, Bhavnagar Pachi, let's go to another Bhavnagar daughter, Meena Ben, Baroda. Mute par છો.
હવે સંભળાય છે?
Yes, સંભળાય છે. Yeah.
I am Meena Mehta from Baroda, daughter of Kanchanben Bhavnagar. Very happy Diwali and happy New Year to all. And a very nice idea to arrange the Zoom meeting. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. So those who may not know, Meena Ben is actually a cooking expert, and she attends TV programs. She's often invited as a judge to cooking recipes and all that. And whenever we do our next event in India, I'm going to put her in charge of the food.
Sure.
So Meena Ben, so good to see you. So good to see you. Wonderful. All right, let's go back to here. Let's go back to Florida here, down in the USA. Kokila Ben, Subhash uncle, you are on.
Hi, happy Diwali, everybody.
Hi, happy Diwali. And we are so blessed to be in sunny Florida. And it's always sunny here. And I'm glad to meet so many new members in our family. And particularly, I'm glad you introduced Deepa, because this family really needs her. She's an expert on liposuction. So we can really use your services, Deepa. That's all. Sal Mubarak.
Anytime.
All right, let us go to Ghatkopar, Mumbai. Navneet Bhai, Gunwanti Babi, and Paresh Gohel.
બોલો સંભળાય છે હા see it is very difficult for us to know this American English, and all of you must try to speak in Gujarati at least at home. What is your idea? Barabar. Now anyway, we are very happy to see everybody here with all KMD family. But Shanta Faiba, who said Shanta Faiba?
Kanta Faiba, apni daughter.
Kanta Faiba barabar che. Kanta Faiba barabar. Shanta Faiba nahi. Okay. That's fine. The Desai Kutum is correct. Perfectly all right. That's why I didn't get you.
Right. So Navneet Bhai, so happy to see you. And we get updates on all the awards you have been getting. Hamna chella ghana last couple years kek 2 કે 3 awards મળ્યા છે. We are so proud of you.
Yeah, correct. You are right. 100% right. I got so many prizes. Award, not prize. Award. To do the social work, we get it.
Saras. Okay. All right, Rahul, Madhubabi, Shraddha.
Hi, I'm not sure if you can see us all.
I'm hoping you all can now.
Yeah, we can see you.
All right. So, just a moment. Yeah. So, hello everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. I mean, not sure if everybody knows, but we are basically Vijay Doshi and family. Rahul,
That's my wife.
That's his wife, Tripti. They got married just 3 years ago. So I think few of, you were a part of the wedding. For the rest, she's kind of a new member for everyone. Mom and me. So, I mean, we've all been home, sticking around, trying to be at home as far as possible, and glad to see, everybody here. It was nice to be introduced, to a lot of new members we don't really connect much with, and see everyone, actively chatting on the group. So it's lovely to see everyone in person, virtually.
It's basically to put a face to the names that are there.
Yeah, that's right.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yes, that's
so. Praful Bhai is next, but before you start,
Kokila will say on our behalf.
Yes, Praful Bhai and Kokila Bhai is next, but before that, Hardika has a special announcement.
Okay.
Well, the announcement, actually, I found out that it's your birthday today. So I thought that we should all carry on a tradition of singing happy birthday for Praful. Yes. So everybody can unmute themselves if you don't mind, and join us in the all popular. And let me see if everybody's unmuted here. Who is going to lead us away here? I have a terrible voice. That's
Can I interrupt for just 1 second, because it's actually Shayla's birthday today too.
Birthday. So Shayla, why don't you help us sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Can you help sing?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It's indeed a special day.
Nani and Nana. Yeah, that's Nani and Nana. Nana and me. Both of you, yeah.
Shreya, just so you know, today is also Children's Day in India.
Oh, wow.
That's how I remember her birthday.
He celebrated it.
Why are they saying happy birthday to Nana and me?
Nana's birthday too.
Why?
Right.
Yeah, because it's
Thank you
Diwali day.
everybody for remembering my birthday. It's a good thing about it is the whole world, whole India celebrates it, and I'm blessed and couldn't be any happier to see you all like this. 50 years ago when I landed, we didn't know what will it be like, but this is really a dream come true, and nothing makes me more happier than being with you all and celebrating birthday, and I look forward to celebrating more and more. Next year will be 75th one. So please everybody come to San Diego. It's open invitation and we will celebrate it. Kokila, you want to say something about the Happy Diwali or whatever?
Happy Diwali to everyone and best wishes for the coming year 2021. I hope it will be better than this one. The Corona environment has given us a chance to go inwards and really get connected. And even though there are all the risks around us and all that, but it has bonded us as a family, and real connectedness has come, creativity and real, introspection. I have experienced during this self-quarantine. I'm taking care of my mom who turned 95 yesterday. And because of her, we are taking extra precautions and not allowing anyone in the house, including my grandchildren. This has given us a different perspective altogether on life. I am continuing with my online teaching, which was also a blessing. For the first time, I did that, but it was a joyful experience. Deepa, we welcome you to this family. You will find out more and more how much humor, how many jokes we have. You have to learn about Chichpogli and all other stuff. and we will find that out during reception when Bhavna Ben arranges for that. I can't wait to dance, and this time I don't want to take my wrist.
That's right.
And basically, I welcome you to this family. In 2000 millennium year, even before that, we had family unions in Florida at Kokila Ben's house and all that. But in millennium, we really thought that our next generation, how do we keep them informed about our family history? And that was our pioneering effort to introduce how different our great grandparents and grandfathers, and how they were visionary, and because of them we are here today. And you know more and more about this history as we progress with our reunions like this. And we want to continue, even though I think Ankit is the last person in our family in terms of weddings coming up, which I always look up to. But now for 700th member, maybe we should have an award, whosoever does it faster. Thank you very much.
Dharmesh is waving his hand. We are all next in line. Dharmesh, we are ready.
Yeah, Dharmesh, exactly. Right on time.
Dharmesh, I couldn't recognize.
So I'm not the 700 member, but I am the lucky one to conclude my generation at number 52. Okay, meaning Praful Bhai, Rajan, Navneet Bhai, Ramanik Bhai, Vilin Bhai, Praveen Bhai, our generation, we are 52 cousins, and I happen to be the last one, 52nd. We are based here in Central Jersey, very close to Princeton. That's Meeta, my wife.
Hello. Happy Diwali, everybody.
Okay. Our older daughter Ayushi, she's a senior in college, finishing up her degree in biology. And that's our son Mihir. He goes to NYU, as Praful Bhai mentioned earlier, studying economics and math. He's in the second year. We have all been home for 8 months, getting into 9th, and probably we're going to finish 1 year like this. And it's actually such a pleasure to have everybody at home eating lunch, dinner, and breakfast all together. Really
Ayushi is a
part of the
pre-med
family. I'm sorry, Praful Bhai?
Ayushi is a pre-med student. She's going to be in medical, right? Ayushi is going to be medical school, right?
Yeah, hopefully soon. I'm applying right now. It's a bit hard with COVID and everything, but fingers crossed.
Okay.
So Kokilaben, whatever you said was very touching and very true. Kokila Bhabi.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, very, very true, very different perspective, lots of time for introspection and connection and family bonding time. So we experienced the same was what you said. And welcome Deepa to the family. It was nice meeting you.
Thank
Ankit,
you.
thanks for bringing her in.
Yeah. Of course.
We are in New Jersey, very close to New York, Philadelphia, pretty close to Washington, D.C. as well. So feel free to come over anytime.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely.
And thank you, Rajan Bhai, and Praful Bhai for arranging this. Very awesome idea.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go to Ghatkopar, Jitu Bhai, Vikram, Smita Bhabi. You are on Ghatkopar, Mumbai.
Very good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is for all of you, and a Shubh Deepavali and a Sal Mubarak to all of you. This year has been challenging for many of us with what all we all have faced. I, for one, am thankful to God for a few things that have happened, which ideally would not have, but all three of us were corona positive at some point of time. And it was pretty challenging at a time with all three family members being down with that. But with God's grace and well wishes of everybody and prayers and support of all family members, we are now all very fine. And as of yesterday afternoon, the reports came that we were corona negative. So it was God willing, nobody else has to go through that, but it was tough. And hats off to mom and dad for being able to stay tough through that whole thing. And today, just for the sake of taking dad out and mom out, I, one after the other, took them to the temple just to pray from outside the temple. And I believe it was nice.
Yeah, it was good enough. After a long time, I went out and with Mrs. and Vikram and others, we all recovered very well. And I'm glad that we have organized this occasion so that I'm able to see each one and also listen to them also. I wish all of you a happy Diwali and happy New Year also.
Thank you, thank you. You know, like Dharmesh said, 52 ma, he's the youngest. Jitu bhai, bhaiyo ma, second generation bhaiyo ma, he's the oldest, I believe. So good to see you. Wonderful. Is Neha Gohel available? I know they were patiently waiting while. Oh, there she is. Wonderful, wonderful. Neha.
Yes, hello. Sorry, it's a kid's lunchtime or
Oh,
past lunch, so we were trying to get lunch together. Hi, everyone. Good to see everyone.
Yeah.
That's our lunch in the background. Good to see everyone. Happy Diwali. I hope everybody's doing well. We are doing okay here in North Carolina. I am working virtually and I have fourth grade girls and they are in school here virtually as well. So it's been busy. It's been busy trying to be a full-time mom, full-time employee, and full-time teacher in some cases. So it's been super busy, but like you said, we definitely have to focus on the positive. We're very fortunate that we can have the kids at home and we have the space. Everybody has their own desk. So it's been fine. We've actually gotten a chance, like many of you said, to explore the outdoors quite a bit. We have really great weather here, so it's been really nice. We've also been doing lots of cooking with the kids. I don't know if my kids are here, if they want to get in the video. This is Mila, and this is Anya. And then my husband is coming in and out. He's multitasking on 2 Zoom calls. So here he's there. So Vigash, you want to say hi?
He can't hear.
Oh, he can't hear. It's okay. He's on the other call. We made lots of Diwali treats, actually. Let me share.
Drop them.
It's I don't know if you can see it, but we made some coconut burfi and some cardamom burfi. And the mention of liposuction earlier kind of hit me as I was like staring at this big tray of sweets. So hoping we never need those services down the road, but hope everybody's doing well. We are hanging in there waiting for this to end like everybody else, but definitely very happy that we're fortunate to have good health so far, and hopefully it stays that way, and hopefully it stays that way for all of you as well. So happy Diwali.
Great. Great to see Neha, her full family. Ami, you are next.
Vikas here too.
Ami, you are on mute.
Yep. Purina Sahana, I'm Ami Doshi. I'm Praful Kokila's daughter and Shreya and Shital's sister, and I'm mom to Purina and Sahana, 5-year-old twins. We have the junior twins in the family. Neha went first. Girls, you want to come say hi and happy Diwali? They've been waiting for our turn. They're very excited. Do you want to say happy Diwali? This is Sahana, and this is Purina. Much like everyone else is saying, being at home during the pandemic with these two, and then I'm actually still going into work several days a week to round. So figuring it out has been fun, but it's been nice to spend this extra time with them. They started virtual kindergarten this year. They can hear you. Do you say anything? Okay. They're being baby cheetahs right now. So we started virtual kindergarten this year, which has been quite challenging, but it's actually been super fun and super cute to see their classroom behavior in our own living room. So I've been really grateful for the little moments that we wouldn't otherwise see that we get to spend together thanks to the pandemic and being at home a little bit more than we would otherwise. And we have really appreciated the San Diego weather and our backyard. We got a renovation done just in the nick of time. So fortunately, that's really kept us happy and healthy and entertained. And it's just really again and really nice to meet you, Deepa. I can't wait to celebrate your wedding.
Thank you. Thank you, Ami. Let's go to Baroda. Kirit Bhai. Chandrika Babi, Kirit Bhai.
કાકા વિડિયો ઓફ છે.
Last minute problem થયો લાગે. Hello. Hello.
સંભળાય છે?
Yes.
સંભળાય છે એમને પણ વિડિયો નથી ઓન.
તમે
Hello.
fix કર. Go to હું બીજે જાઉં છું. Let you fix your video.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Want to make sure we are covering everybody. There is a REDMI અને હું ઓળખાણ નથી પડતી આ કોણ છે. There is a blinking golden light in the background.
That is Shivlal Mama. So he is, yeah.
Okay. Oh, Shivlal bhai છે. Okay.
Oh, Nimesh.
Nimesh. Wonderful. Nimesh, unmute kar. Yes.
બોલો તમે કઈ શું કહેવાનું છે તમે કહો કઈ બધાને ઓળખીએ છીએ આરામથી મળો અને મળો બધા સાથે
હા
દરેકને અનુભવ થાય. શું ખબર બીજા?
બસ બધા આનંદમાં અને you know those who may not know Shivlal bhai, Amratlal bhai, Kanti bhai Gohel and my father આ ચાર જણની તો મુંબઈમાં ગેંગ હતી.
એમાં બે જણ નથી, બે જણ છે.
હા બે જણ આઉટ થઈ ગયા ચાર માંથી. પણ they had wonderful bonding. I think 50-55-60 વર્ષ મુંબઈમાં સાથે હતા અને tremendous warmth from the family and
અમે મોટાને નંબર લાયક થયા ને બધા આવે.
સાચી વાત છે શિવલાલભાઈ. સો ખૂબ આનંદ થયો તમને જોઈને. તબિયત સંભાળજો. ટેક કેર. ઓલરાઈટ કિરીટભાઈ, can we, are you ready?
આજે પિનલ અને રિદ્ધિ ને બધા અહીંયા છે અમારી સાથે. ચાર્મી ને બધા આપણે શારદાબેન ના ને મંજુબેન ના ગ્રાન્ડ કિડ્સ. So that you know they are all with us. Okay.
Shivlal bhai. Okay. Okay. Jai Jinendra, everyone. Am I clear to everyone? The battery is very low actually.
Yes.
Hello?
ના વાંધો નહીં, ચાલશે. I think હવે થોડીક જ મિનિટ છે આમ બી.
Okay. This Zoom meeting on Diwali day is amalgamation of technology and tradition. It's so amazing what technology can do. The technology has saved us from pandemic. You see, in the last pandemic in 1920, 5 crores, that is 50 million people died. As compared to that, in this pandemic, only few millions have died so far. And hopefully, with introduction of the vaccine, it will be limited now. It will be under control. Hats off to technology, hats off to technocrats. And at the same time, let us not forget Lord Mahavir, who has taught us the religious principles, etc. I, as a technocrat, have absolutely. Okay, good luck, Sal Mubarak. Happy Diwali to all.
Thank you. Thank you. Hetal, are you on? Perfect. Hetal, so nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see everybody. Jai Jinendra. I hope everybody's doing well this Diwali. Welcome to the family. Deepa, we're excited to meet you. My kids are very disappointed that there's no wedding this year. Everybody's ready with dances and there's a lot of excitement. So hopefully next year we'll get to.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're doing great. Like others have said, I feel very lucky. Both my kids are home with me. They have been a lot of help. So, which has been nice. We were empty nesters for, I don't know, 6 months, and now we've got the kids back. So I can't say anything but good things. I feel very blessed. Just want to say happy Diwali and wishing everybody a wonderful new year.
All right, Hardika, Khyati, would you like to say anything?
Sure.
Hardika.
Yes. Hi. Hi, I'm Hardika. I live in Bangalore now. I've been here 9 years, and I was just reflecting on what Kokila auntie was saying about the introspection. So one bit of the introspection, just to put this into perspective, last year I ended up traveling to 4 continents, 13 countries, most of it for work, some of it for personal joy. And then we went into a lockdown, right? And so the one part of the introspection I've done during lockdown is pull out all the old recipes. We didn't cook a single dinner meal that was the same. Initially, it was only supposed to be a 2-week lockdown that continued for a little too long. So I had to really dig deep into making new recipes. But it really brought what everyone's talking about, brought us all together and around the dinner table and back to talking about things that we've stopped talking about. The other thing that for a lot of the people who are on this call already, I have been here for, at least for the last 6 years, been trying to get all of our first cousins. So Dharmesh Bhai, you were talking about your gang of first cousins. We are 27 first cousins, and we were trying to get a whole bunch of them down to Bangalore for a get together. For 6 years, I've attempted it. Meenabin will tell you the number of WhatsApp messages I've sent to her about it, and we could never manage it. But this lockdown, we have probably gotten together more than 6 times on Zoom calls, playing Antakshari, playing bingo, and playing all kinds of fun games, things from our childhood. So I do feel that there is an upside, a positive to all of these things that are happening around us, and we ought to be thankful for it. And this is another big positive, our ability to do this and meet people we haven't seen and meet new people we would like to meet again. So that's really quickly about where we are and what's going on. Khyati, do you want to add anything?
Hi, everyone. I'm Khyati. I'm actually also in Bangalore with Hardika, but we are in different rooms so that it doesn't echo. Happy Diwali, Sal Mubarak, and Jai Jinendra. ઘણા બધા લોકો છે અહીંયા બહુ સારું લાગ્યું બધાને જોઈને. And yeah, I think the whole year has been a bit strange. Work has changed, right? So I'm also working from home as everybody is, making the most of it. But hopefully soon we can all get together in person.
Great, great. So I must say, Hardika and Khyati, these 2 wonderful sisters are so dedicated to KMD family. They're doing so much for the family, especially the reunion. Their contribution has been amazing, and always ready to do their part and bring new ideas to the table. So happy to see you both. And again, Hardika, thanks for setting up the Zoom. We are already past 45 minutes, but this call has not ended. That's because we are on Hardika's business account. So we can have extra time and we can have as many number of attendees. So thanks again.
I just want to say there were many people who worked very hard on the reunion, way more than anything I did. So I just want to acknowledge that real quick, but thank you for the compliment.
True. So I want to make sure I don't forget anyone.
There is Bhavna, Shreya.
Bhavna, Shreya, yes.
Nilesh.
Ramanik Bhai.
Hi. We can go if that works.
Yes, Shreya, go on.
All right, let me take it off my headset. 1 second so my family can hear you. As I mentioned, today is Shayla's, let's see. Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. This is Shayla. Today is her 3rd birthday. She just turned 3 today. So we picked up her favorite brunch and we brought it to the park. This is the nice park right about a mile from our house. So we're enjoying the outdoor space in this pandemic, probably more than we have before. It's my husband, Kenny.
Hey, everyone.
And our exciting news is in March, we will have another daughter. So we've just been, Shayla's been loving being big sister. And it's been an exciting time. We definitely miss a lot, but have found a lot of gratitude for family, living closer to family, having the ability to be outside pretty much year round. So even going into the winter, having days like this makes it so we can still appreciate and find things to do to entertain her. We also have 2 dogs, so they're happy to get out as well. But yeah, we've been learning a lot. Shayla is back in daycare. Her daycare did reopen, so she is back in daycare. Kenny and I are both working from home. But for about 5 months, we were both managing kind of childcare and working from home at the same time. So got past that. But yeah, very grateful for technology and being able to stay connected. I think a lot of people have said that we're able to connect more despite not being able to physically be with each other. It's kind of pushed a lot of this stuff inward and finding other ways. So so we're excited and we have something to look forward to. So that's also really nice.
Thank you, Shreya. Bhavna, are you?
Yes.
Yes.
Ready? Okay. I just want to welcome Deepa in our family, KMD and Babishi. We'll miss everybody at the wedding, but we will make sure that we have a nice reception where everybody can dance and enjoy and have a lot of music. And we will definitely have a nice Bharat performances. We have a lot of planning to do. So let's hope and pray that safe time comes soon and we can all enjoy the celebration of Ankit's wedding and reception. Thank you all.
Excellent.
Deepa is like a daughter to me now that I have gained.
Yes.
So welcome, Deepa.
Ramanik Bhai.
હેલો ઝૂમ ઉપર કેવી રીતે મૂકવાનું છે
તમે છો ઝૂમ પર
હેલો
બરોબર છે સંભળાય છે
બરાબર છે
You can hear and see you.
ઓકે રાઈટ happy Diwali and happy new year to everybody, all KMD members. And I was very lucky. 68 years ago, I had a chance to spend 1 year with KMD himself, Keshavji Manakchand Doshi himself. And that is my Nana and Nani. And because of his blessing, I'm here today in America. So that blessing helped me to go abroad in 1965. And since then, I'm abroad. Thank you, Hardika, for organizing all this. And today is basically very busy day for us because JCNC is also celebrating Diwali today. And all of us are having great time today. So all the best to everybody in the KMD family.
Thank you, Ramanik Bhai. Anyone else I'm missing? Anyone else? Would
Manglik.
like?
Hardika is
Manglik Baki che, one second. Yeah, we have that coming. But I just want to make sure, okay, because there were some people just on the audio. Just want to make sure koi bhulai na jaye.
Nilesh bhai.
Nilesh Gohel was there.
Okay, while he's waiting, while we wait on Nilesh, let me introduce my family. Of course, you are seeing all of us here. Pooja, our son Shaunak, our motor son Shaunak, and myself.
Okay.
Happy Diwali, everybody.
Sal Mubarak and Happy Diwali, everybody.
So Shaunak is a civil engineer. I think many of the doctors in our family are helping the patients and with the COVID pandemic. Shaunak has taken it one step further. He's actually building hospitals. He's actually involved with a large-scale hospital in our area to add, to add patient capacity and those sort of things. And amaro nano son Sohil, he's actually at college. He's in the final year of engineering, and he'll be graduating next June. He's studying industrial engineering at NC State University. So that's Sohil. Shaunak is right here, Pooja and myself. So happy to see you. Happy Diwali, everyone.
બોલો રાજન
Yes.
આજે બહુ મોટો દિવસ છે
બોરીવલી ભગવતી હોસ્પિટલ
આજે બહુ મોટો દિવસ છે તો મંગલિક સંભળાવી દો
જીતુભાઈ સાચી વાત હું કહેવાનો જ હતો કે જે મેસન ક્રીટ નું જે કામ બાકી છે હવે આ શૌનક પૂરું કરશે.
અચ્છા
સમજી લીધા ગ્લોબલ કંપની
મંગલિક સંભળાવો.
I think maybe 50-60 years ago, our family, like Jitubhai's father, Rahul's grandfather, they all built Bhagwati Hospital.
Yes.
One of the largest hospital in Mumbai. And it was a very large scale project for them. Yeah. But Shaunak is a civil engineer in the same line. Navneet bhai, ha bolo, tame kei kehta tha?
અત્યારે આજે બહુ મોટો દિવસ છે મંગલિક સાંભળો તો મંગલિક સંભળાવી દઉં.
મંગલિક ની વાત મારે રસીલા ભાભી સાથે થઈ છે પણ
વેરી ગુડ વેરી ગુડ
one is fine.
તો તે એમને જ કે તે વાત થઈ ગઈ હોય તો બરાબર છે.
Yeah, but let's do one final call. કોઈ રહી નથી ગયું.
Would like to hear from Deepa.
We covered Deepa. We have covered Deepa.
Okay.
નિલેશ છે, વિકાસભાઈ છે અને ચંદ્રિકા છે.
અવની બાકી છે.
બધાને બોલાવો. Start one by one.
Let's make it quick now. I think we are over 1 hour now. Nilesh, go on, please.
Hello?
Vikas,
yeah, we can hear you. Okay, very good. So, just Jai Jinendra, everyone. Happy Diwali. Sal Mubarak, everyone. From the Bay Area. It's great to see everyone today. It's Diwali done a different way this time, but we're doing well in Bay Area. We're kind of very grateful for quite a number of things. One of them is that our backyards and still the ability to at least be able to see other family members. So, we're doing our backyard social distancing celebration for the family this weekend. So that's going to be nice. And so we do get to see them at least. Otherwise, the kids are doing well. Ishan just started high school online. Rohan is now in 7th grade. And yeah, doing well. Sejal still goes into the hospital about once a week. And making the most of it. We're finding other activities to get involved in. I've started some road biking. Sejal's jamming at this point. So finding other activities to keep ourselves busy. But overall, everyone's doing well and staying safe. So great to see everyone. Thank you.
Great. Jitubhai, any message? Kiritbhai, Jitubhai?
Raju, Vikas ne baki.
વિકાસભાઈ છે, ચંદ્રિકા બાકી છે.
ચંદ્રિકા બાકી.
ચંદ્રિકા.
Yes, Vikas, Chandrika, whoever is on, please. I believe Neha covered, but
Yeah, I covered Pratikash.
Gunal Kakan.
Avni.
Parin, are you on? Parin, Chandrika, Ben?
નથી તો નહીં આવે કેમ અહીંયા સહી કે
બસ ભાઈ છે હજી બાકી.
No, Neha covered કર્યું है, which is good.
Okay.
Wonderful. I think in like almost an hour, we covered almost everybody around the world, you know, India, Germany, US, East Coast, West Coast, in between. So with that,
Can we have after party?
Exactly. Party is always on, just like the music you played. So happy Diwali once again.
One
and,
more.
let's
Let me
see.
one more thing. This coming Wednesday, November 18th, is my father, Hasmukh Kaka. Hasmukh Mama would have been 88 years old, November 18th.
નંબર 18 wow.
Okay.
Kokila wants to say a couple of things. Go ahead, Kokila.
At all family reunions like this, I remember Dilip Bhai and I miss him. I know he is with us in spirit and he is showering his blessings to us. But there is one member I miss from our family so much. And second thing is Pradeep Bhai. And we really know that he is with us, and Bhavnaben, Ankit Bhai, and Deepa. We all know this, and he is with us, and he will be always with us. Thank you. I just wanted to appreciate both of them, and they will be a part of a very, very integral part of this family. Thank you.
True. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Ramnik Bhai, wait, Vilin Bhai, Usha Bhabi, anything you want to say or add? Sorry.
Mute parcho. They are on mute. They are on mute.
Yeah.
હવે કયો? They are muted.
Who is talking?
Willing by is talking. હવે.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, now.
Okay, great. Yeah. Okay, yeah. તો ઉષાએ કહ્યું કે કિરણભાઈ પણ આપણે એને પણ મિસ કરીએ છીએ.
Yes.
રઘુનાથ મામાના દીકરા.
Yes.
We miss him a lot. Okay, અને yeah. I think introductionમાં પ્રવીણ અને હું બોલ્યા ખરા પણ introduction નથી થયું. So briefly, I'm here, my wife Usha, she's excellent in cooking and gardening. Hardika, everybody heard her, our older daughter, and Kathy, younger daughter. Hardika's husband Bala is also with us. So
Well,
I'm
he
so
was
happy.
for a while, and then he's I think it's getting close to midnight. He's gone to bed.
Well, that's right. And last thing I wanted to add that I'm also teaching online. So I'm happy that I'm able to continue to work. I'm 76 and most old couples are in India. Their children are in the United States. We are here, the old couple you can say, and our children are in India. Okay, with that, I wish you all happy Diwali. Nutan Varsha Abhinandan, Happy New Year. Thank you.
Right. All right. So Monday, Somvare, Bestu Varas che, you know, it's going to be the new year. Let me go to Ramnik Bhai, Rasila Bhabi, Manglik. આપણને સમજાવે.
જય જીનેન્દ્ર બધાને હેપી દિવાળી એન્ડ વિશ યુ હેપી ન્યુ યર. નમો અરિયંતાણ નમો સિદ્ધાણ નમો હરિયાણ નમો જૈન નમો લય સૌસાણ એ સો પંચ નમો કારો સૌ પાવ પાણાસમો મંગલાણ તથા વેસીમ પડમંગ વય મંગલમ ઓમ શ્રી ગુરુદેવની આજ્ઞા ઓમ શ્રી ચિત્તારી મંગલમ હરિયંતા મંગલમ સિદ્ધા મંગલમ સાવ મંગલમ केवली पन्नतो धम्मो मंगलम चत्तारि लोकतमा रिंता लोकतमा सिद्धा लोकतमा साहु लोकतमा केवली पन्नतो धम्मो लोकतमा चत्तारि शरणं पौजामि रिंते शरणं पौजामि सिद्धे शरणं पौजामि साहु शरणं पौजामि केवली पन्नतम धम्मम शरणं पौजामि। ये 4 मंगलाचार उत्तम करे जय भवसागर डूबे सकल कर्म नारायण पुरुषोत्तम सुप्रेन भावद्रिने जय गुण गाय तेजरिने दरिने मुक्षे जाय संसार माय शनाचार वर्षने को जय नारी आद्रे तने अक्षर विचर पदो अंगूठे अमृत वसे लब्धितना भंडा श्री गुरु गौतम ने समरिये सदा मनवंचित फलदाता भावे भावना भावे भावे दीजे दान भावे धर्म आराध्य भावे केवल ज्ञान भावे पद निर्वाण उपसर्गाक्षम्यांति चिद्यन्ते विघ्नवलय मन प्रसन्नतामिति पूजमानि दिनेश्वरी सर्वमंगलम मांगल्यम सर्वकल्याण कारणम प्रधानम सर्वधर्माणम जैनम जयति शासनम बोलो बोलो जिन शासन देव की जय माता स्वामी भगवान की जय। जय
Saal Mubarak, everyone. Saal Mubarak.
साल मुबारक साल मुबारक हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
Happy Diwali.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर साल मुबारक